Konnichiwa, I'm Max from Canada.
I'm Suji from Thailand.
Welcome to our channel. As you can see on screen, today we're gonna react to Shiaro Matsuyama, fantastic folk singer from the 70s. And by the way, as you can see here, we have other fantastic folk singers from the 70s like Masashi Sada, Garo, Shinji Tanimura, Kaguya Hime, the Alfie. We have a lot of different folk songs. You can go on our channel, subscribe, or check for this playlist right here. And today the song is called Silver Rain. It's a sad love song and it should be absolutely amazing. Yes. Let's get started.
Anata to kurashita わずかな時間通り過ぎれば楽しかったわこれ以上私がそばにいたならあなたがダメになってしまうのね
Oh my god, this is so sad.
Yeah, everything.
The little time I had with you, it was a pleasure when I look back. If I stay with you any longer, I'm gonna ruin you. It started raining before I know it. Outside the window it's raining silver. Living by your side and for you, I'm happy just to do it, but I wish I could understand of your loneliness a little more. Damn, the lady is not really like happy in the relationship and he's like, for your own sake, I love you so much, I'm gonna leave because it's not a good place. And it's a big contrast to, we just reacted to Masashi Sada, right? The song when he tells his wife to look and himself to just hang in there a little bit more, right? And his song is the complete opposite kind of feeling or views of the relationship.
Yeah, I mean a lot of people though, they cannot handle so they leave each other, something like that. Well, there must be a lot of reason, right?
Yeah.
いつの間にか降り出した雨窓の外は銀の雨が降るあなたのそばであなたのために暮らせただけで幸せだけどせめてあなたの寂しさ少し分かってあげればよかったのにあなたがくれた思い出だけが一つ二つ銀の雨の中
One of the most hypnotizing songs ever.
Yeah, with the melody too.
Only the memories you gave me, one or two in the silver rain. That you told me you were sorry. It was your last act of kindness. It's okay that I followed you. It was all selfishness on my part. I pray for your dream to come true. Silver rain fall on my praying heart. Silver rain is failing. Silver rain is falling. That you told me you were sorry. I don't know what happened exactly. I feel like maybe there was some infidelity or something happening.
Well, the word sorry, it's a great excuse to leave.
Yeah?
Yeah, sometimes you're gonna think that you are too good to be with me. I'm a bad person, so sorry, I need to leave. Or you cannot like give me what I wanted, so I need to leave, sorry.
Great interpretation. Very smart. That's why we are married.
Shut up!
ごめんと私に言ってくれたのはあなたの最後の優しさですね。いいのよあなたについてきたのは笑っていた君の頬にみんな私のわがままだからあなたの夢が叶うように祈る心に銀の雨が降る銀の雨が降る銀の雨が降る
What did you say at the end? Silver rain is falling. I don't know what silver rain represents. Maybe it's like the cloud are gray. And it show like the duality of like, even though everything's imperfect, there's a silver cloud on top that like can hurt us at any moment. It can start raining or something, you know?
Like a bullet?
Yeah.
Silver bullet.
Something
Silver
like this,
rain.
yeah.
When it falls, it's really hurt, something like that?
Yes.
Ah.
遊ぶことはないやがてわかる
海は死にますか山は死にますか風はどうですか空もそうですか教えてあなたの顔もちらつかないよ